Hey, welcome to Tarmac. Today I'm going to be in there with Ken Block, spinning around in the New Zealand countryside. Stupid revs, stupid fun. Come along on this one.
The truck?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite good. I drive a Raptor at home.
Oh, yeah?
But it's a twin turbo V6, not the diesel. So it's quite a great package that we have in the States in these things. But for the Ranger, this Raptor setup is really quite good.
You got that
SVC Raptor.
SVC Raptor, yeah.
Yeah.
I saw that piece.
Yeah, so that's fun. The Raptor itself is a great package.
Yeah.
3 new victims. I'll be back. So yeah, I love driving rally cars, but trucks to me are kind of a close second. They're just a fun toy.
Close
and
second.
I live in a state where there's a lot of off-road areas, so I go down, take my kids, and drive all over the place with the UTVs and the Raptor and dirt bikes.
Sounds like hell.
Yeah, so the Raptor's a great package for me, and this is just a nice smaller version of it.
And you race trucks over there too?
No, I don't. I only race cars, so I don't have enough time to race the rally cars anymore. I got 3 kids that are getting older, so I do this as much as I can, but it's not much as I would like. So you guys know how good these roads are, then I take it.
I've never been down this one, but how many times have you been up and down this one already?
5 or 6.
That's enough, right?
Yeah, but the roads here are unlike anything else in the world. Just the way that they, for whatever reason, that they built them, it's kind of like these flowy bank turns. And I realize a lot of it's probably for the water drainage because you get so much rain here.
Yeah.
But man, they're just unlike anything else in the world, really.
So when did you get here?
I got here and landed on Saturday and went straight to Rotorua and played on the mountain bikes for a couple days. Started testing yesterday. Went and visited Matt Mike.
Oh yeah. How did that go?
Yeah, good.
Did you show him up?
No. When played on, it's kind of hard to go to a guy's home court and beat him on his.
Yeah, of course.
On a go-kart. It was fun though.
Well, you were at Hamptons, weren't you?
Yeah, I went to Hampton.
Yeah. That's a great track.
Yeah, it's beautiful. They've done a really nice job with that. I love kind of everything from the track setup to having those apartments.
Yeah.
Right there.
How long are you here for?
Leave Sunday night after the race.
Okay.
So we race Friday night, then all day Saturday, all day Sunday, and then I drive straight to the airport and fly home.
Nice.
Yeah.
And what's the next venture?
The next race that we have with this car is the Donegal Rally down in Ireland, up in Ireland, and then Goodwood Festival Speed 2 weeks later.
Okay.
So I have about.
You're doing Goodwood.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So I have about 6 weeks off before I do any of that. So it's a nice little break, and then do that adventure. And Goodwood, we're actually taking the Kazi and my new, old F-150 Hoonigan truck. So we'll be driving up and down the hill climb with the truck, and then doing the rally stage with the Kazi.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
How often do you get to New Zealand?
This is probably my 8th or 9th time. I wish it was more, but just haven't been able to get down here the last couple of years. Been racing a lot of rallycross the last couple of years, but now I'm back to doing more stage rally stuff. So I put this event in my calendar this year because it's one of my favorite events in the world. I won it in 2014 or 2015. I can't remember which year I was here. And that was the last time I was down here. Actually, no, I did a Togo rally after that same year, but I had a sensor. I was leading the rally, and I had an engine sensor go, and it just stopped the engine. So this stage is about 2.5K, so we do it both directions. We come in here, stop, turn around, and then come back out. So we're.
Is it on race day, Ken?
What's that?
Is it you use this road on race day?
No, this is purely a test road. Where we ended right there is actually a the stage road actually goes by here.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, one of Sunday's stages. So there's 4 roads here for Saturday and 4 for Sunday, and we do each one of them twice. So we go out and do a loop in the morning, go back to service in Fungaray, then come back and do them repeated again in the afternoon.
Do you prefer that from doing just one long rally with lots of special stages? Do you like the repeat so you can...
I do like the repeats because I'm really good at memorizing stages, and I'll think, oh, that corner, I could have done that faster. There was really good grip, and I'll remember that, and the second time through I'll go faster through certain sections, or I'll remember a place where I had a moment because there wasn't as much grip as I thought there would be, and I'll brake earlier. So I really enjoyed that element of it, doing certain stages twice, and they're amazing stages, so I really don't mind doing them twice.
It's a pretty physical job, being a rally driver. Do you do quite a lot of working out in gyms to sort of keep yourself toned up, or is the job itself keeping you?
I wish it was time in the car, but there's not enough time in the car. So yeah, I spend a lot of time in the gym. I kickbox, I ride mountain bikes. I do train in the gym, although I try to avoid it because I'd much rather be outdoors or doing something like kickboxing. So I'd much rather do that sort of stuff than sitting on a piece of equipment.
Yeah.
I can't imagine you sitting still anywhere though, looking at your resume.
Yeah, I get out and try and enjoy the world as much as I can. Especially here. And these roads are, I mean, the views are just stunning here. The roads are beautiful. And granted, there's some beautiful roads in other places in the world. In fact, we have some great stages in America, but you know, the fact that you're in and out of forests here on these great undulating roads, it just really is some of the most unique racing anywhere in the world.
And Ford's become a new love of your guys, have you? Well, love, it's been a while now.
Yeah, I've been working with Ford since 2010, and it's been great. They make a great car for me to race, and lots of different cars, from the RS200 from the 80s, and the Mark II from the 70s, you know, to the modern stuff I race, you know, so that variety is great. But then I've also helped develop like the Focus RS.
You helped develop it?
Yeah. And I've done, you know, some help with all sorts of different marketing of different vehicles. And I was just there recently meeting with them about the Bronco that's coming out soon.
Okay.
So yeah, it's quite a cool relationship that I have with them.
So they're going to bring out a Ken Block limited edition?
I don't know. I never know. We've talked to them about several different concepts of that, but haven't done anything yet. We'll see.
Nice.
So this car here, is it changed?
Ah, that lovely scent of petroleum.
In America?